resolute defending. It's a good contest that out wide. He can frighten any defence when he starts to weave his magic. Defenders in charge just at the moment. Oh, that's the place to win it. Oh, he's got clear here. Good start, but who will it fall to? Bearing down on the penalty area. Big chance.
Just got a glove on it. The striker's in a great position to score. I can't believe he hasn't. How has the keeper saved that?
They've got a corner here. Good use of the head. So difficult to get the ball off him. Now, who's in support? They won't give their opponents any time to settle. They do press the ball. This is promising. Ball's gone out, it's a throw. They have rather cancelled each other out in this first half. It's fascinating though. Dealt with that confidently enough. Can he beat him? Scores! Oh, he got the chance and he took it!
Oh, that's a great goal. Right in the top corner.
The goal is a reward for their adventure. They really went for it there, pushed everybody forward.
We'd like to remind our supporters to visit our club merchandise store.
Won the ball out there. Lost the ball out wide. For the end of the first half, and the score is 1-0.
Well, what you can see out there is a team.
Only halfway. Still plenty can happen as the second half begins. Stuff for the defender. Quickly can be costly, there's another. Manager was deep in conversation with him a moment or so ago, and now he's going to bring him on, making the substitution.
Yeah, that's definitely a good move. Fresh pair of legs is exactly what's needed to shake things up.
Just intercepted, saw that coming. He may be better advised just to thump the ball clear rather than dribble it out of trouble. Play some good stuff at the back. Got to that well. he could get the ball off him. Look at this, they've not picked him up. He's in on goal. Keeper was determined to get to the ball first there. Referee has told the fourth official the amount of injury and stoppage time there's going to be. Real possibilities here. He just couldn't hold on to it. He's 1-on-1. Promising goal! Unbelievable! Still little time left.
Well, if you're going to hit a shot, hit it hard and low. Goalkeepers just can't get down quick enough.
Not long left at all, and the game is all square again. Defenders in charge.
Not the result they were hoping for, not the kind of result they can afford too often, only a draw. Well, they can feel pretty good about their day's work. They managed to get a draw despite having less shots.